Let's build an EzSolve quality investigation from a new project, starting by opening the EzSolve project's dashboard. Click New to start creating a project. Enter the project name. Add a short project description. Turn on the Quality Framework option. Confirm the Quality Framework checkbox for more tracking options. Open the Methodology menu. Choose the desired quality flow methodology. Open the Analysis Tool menu. Select Fishbone as the analysis tool or other tool as required. This can be changed later too. Open the Workflow stage list. Pick the starting workflow stage. Open the Issue Type menu. Choose how the issue was found. Enter the finding statement. Open References, Evidence, and Closure. Review the references and evidence area. Add the finding reference. Click Save to create the project. Open the new coffee flavor project. Go to the Project Team tab. Click Add Member. Click into the Team Member search field. Type Quality Auditor as the new team member. Click Add Team Member. Open the Project Navigation tabs. Switch to Shared Contacts. Start sharing the project with someone by email by clicking the Share button. Go back to Branches. Recreate any missing default branches if you want to follow a manual strategy without AI. Open the project workspace. Click New Verification. Enter a verification name. Click Add to create the verification. Select the Machine Malfunction branch in the Fishbone. Open the AI Assistant for automatic Fishbone generation. Click the Image Upload area for supporting visuals. Ask the assistant for clarifying questions. Open clarifying questions and your answers. Fill in the next answer. Add another answer to complete the context. Click Next to continue. Select Auto Mode for AI-generated branches or Canonical branches for AI-generated branches based on 5 miss. Generate the Fishbone using AI. Click Replace Investigation to apply the new Fishbone. Open the Brewing Equipment and Calibration branch. Select the verification to view its action items. Open the Status menu in the Action Items panel. Choose the current status for the action item. Click Edit to update the action item. Assign Quality Auditor to the action item. Set the contribution percentage. Set the effectiveness due date. Go back to the diagram view. Turn off the heat map if you want to see a clear diagram. Toggle the heat map again to compare the view. Open the Font Size menu. Choose XS for a compact diagram view. Copy the diagram to your clipboard for use in presentation.